Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another health lesson. For this week, we are going to focus on making better decisions when it comes to choosing snacks and drinks. Now, a lot of us have go to snacks. They could be healthy, they might not be healthy, but today we are going to learn how to choose healthier snacks and drinks as our snack options. So replacing junk food, right? We are trying to make better choices. That means that we have to replace junk food. What is junk food? Junk food is any food item that has little to none nutritional value. So almost no nutritional value in junk food. Examples of junk food include chips, soda, candy, and donuts, which many people consume. Those are all examples of junk food. There are many more types of junk food. Those are the most popular ones. Cookies are included, brownies, corn nuts, more candy. Those are all junk food and have no nutritional value. Besides them having no nutritional value, junk food contains a lot of sugar, fat, and sodium. All those three things are not good for the human body. Too much of it, an excess of sugar, fat, and sodium, is definitely not a good sign for the body. However, we are lucky that we can always make a change, right? It's never too late to make a change when it comes to choosing healthier snacks. It is never too late, and it is the faster you do this, the better. So, like I mentioned before, chips, French fries, candy, cake, pizza, ice cream, those are all examples of junk food. Now, they taste good, right? And maybe once in a while, it's okay to treat yourself to some junk food, but having this every day is bad for your body. Definitely not good for the body system. So, what can we replace these junk food items with? Well, if we look to this side of the screen, there are many options. Some of those options include eating an apple instead, right? Eating an apple, eating some pretzels instead of fries, eating some fruit snacks instead of regular candy, eating some bananas, eating some oranges, and some carrots. These are just some examples of healthy snacks that you can choose instead of junk food. All these healthy snacks have high nutritional value, such as potassium, which helps with providing cramps. Uh, it has iron, which helps your blood and your vision. It has some of them have protein, which helps your muscles. So these are all excellent snacks that you could choose from instead of everything that's here, right? But because this is junk food right here, that means that we don't want it. We don't want it. That's why we put an X on it. We don't want this, right? We want this instead. Our body needs this. Now, there are many options that you can choose from when it comes to healthy snacks. Some more examples include eating celery, right? Eating celery, it's definitely a good option. Also, dried mangoes. Dried mangoes are really good and they have nutritional value. Some apples with peanut butter. It's better than chips on dip. Apples on peanut butter is way healthier than that. Way, way healthier. More beneficial to your body. Also, some trail mix, right? Some trail mix is also a good snack on the go or a snack whenever you are on a hurry. Definitely a good choice to eat. Trail mix. And finally, my favorite, some hummus with pita bread. Pita bread has way more nutritional value than regular chips. And your hummus definitely has more nutritional value than eating it with chip dip. All right, so we just learned a lot of replacements we can do for healthy snacks, right? Well, now let's move on to drinks. Really important. So we have high sugar drinks, which is the equivalent of junk food, so almost the same thing as junk food. And then we have healthier options, right? So some of the most popular high sugar drinks, which are definitely not a good thing for your body, is soda. We definitely don't like soda, right? Too much sugar in soda. Capri Suns taste good, but same thing. They have a lot of sugar. It is definitely not good for your blood, especially after exercising. Orange juice, depending which one you get. If you get the artificial one, meaning the fake one, that means that more than likely you're getting a lot of sugar in your orange juice. Now, if you get natural orange juice, that is a different story. And there is a lot of benefits to natural orange juice. But if your juice comes out in a carton that looks like this, more than likely it has a lot of sugar. Also, a big mistake we do in PE is drink Gatorade. Now, Gatorade, it's okay when you are going to do heavy exercise, so you're going to sweat a lot, and then you drink this after your workout. Not a good idea to drink this in between your workout or before. And even then, this energy drink has a lot of sugar. The sports drinks, I mean. I'm sorry. The sports drink has a lot of sugar, and it is recommended we stay away from this. Only exception is when you are going to have heavy exercise and once you are done. And also Kool-Aid, right? Because we know Kool-Aid has a lot of sugar. Definitely tastes good, but it has a lot of sugar, and we should definitely try our best to stay away from Kool-Aid. So, what better options do we have when it comes to drinks? We have several. We have, of course, water, right? Water, I remind everyone to drink water every day, especially during PE class. When we have PE, our breaks are only water breaks and nothing else. Water is really, really, really important. One of the foundations of life. Also, we could have tea. Tea is definitely a great idea when you just woke up because it is good to wake you up, to get your blood flowing. It opens up your veins in your body, which allow blood to go in smoother through your body. Definitely tea is a good option. Also, low fat milk. And notice that I did not say regular milk. I said low fat milk. Sometimes you might see skim milk. Those are all good milk options that you could consume because it has less sugar than regular milk. And obviously, when something has less sugar, it is definitely a great thing. Also, back to the orange juice. Remember, I mentioned something that's natural. Well, these juices right here is natural orange slices mixed with carrot, which makes orange carrot juice. Orange carrot juice is definitely great for your blood, for your immune system. So if you're having natural carrot and orange juice, definitely a great choice of drink. Not so much when you are drinking orange juice from a gallon or something that looks like this. Way different. And another good option that you could choose to drink is mineral water. That is the water that comes with the gas. So it is almost like regular water, except that that water has some type of gas, which sometimes gives it a flavor, but that's fine, right? Mineral water, it's fine, not that bad. So because we know now we have healthier options, we could choose from various healthier options when it comes to drinks. Now we no longer want these drinks, right? We don't want no high sugarish Coca-Cola or soda or any Capri Sun or any fake juice or some Kool-Aid or sports drinks. Those are all high in sugar. No, 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 thank you. I want some water, tea, low-fat milk, natural juice instead. So what other healthy drink options do you have? My recommendation is this. Nothing but water. As simple as that. If you are able to drink water while you eat, even better. So if whether your water comes in a water bottle, in a glass, in a little gallon, whether it comes in a pack or whether you have it packed like this, water is the thing I recommend the most when it comes to choosing healthy drinks. Nothing but water. That's why you hear me say water only during PE time. I always say don't forget to drink water. Why? Because water is one of the essentials of life and our body needs it and demands it. So there is nothing healthier to drink than water. All right, so now that you learn various healthy snack options and drink options, now your job is to choose two healthy options of snacks and two healthy options of drinks, and I want you to write them down. So write down two healthy snacks that you would like to choose from. Choose two healthy drinks that you would like to choose from. Write those down. Take a picture, screenshot of your health assignment, and send it to my email. My email is jmacias at newlosangeles.org. jmacias at newlosangeles.org. You could also send this assignment to your teacher. Your teacher will send it to my email. No problem. Just make sure you work on this and you turn it in. So remember, two healthy snacks, two healthy drinks, write them down, send them to my email. If you have to watch this video again or the other video, go ahead and do that again. If not, I look forward to seeing your health assignment. All right, boys and girls, take care. I hope you enjoyed this assignment. Bye bye.